Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3-Side Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily assemble your MSI G242L gaming monitor. So first, what we need to do is let's move our monitor aside. It's not important for now. What's important is assembling our stand first. So let's grab the first thing, the second thing, and the third thing. So let's start off with pushing it inside until we hear a click. Now there's a click, and that's basically reassuring us that everything's in the right place. Now we're gonna place a little cable management thing, so let's place it right here. As you guys can see, we will have two of the spaces right here to actually place it, and here we just need to pinch it a little. After you pinch it, let's just put it here, and now we can run our cables through that. So it's very good. Now I'll place it like that because now we need to grab our monitor. So let's grab the monitor, and now we will have the spaces here to place it. What we need to do now is just make sure that it's going in, and as you guys can see, it did not go in the first time, so no worries, we just need to redo it. And now let's just place it here and push it inside. Now we heard a click, and now we know that it's in. So this is basically how the monitor looks like. What we can do with it is we can place it like that. We can adjust it to ourselves. Now all that's left to do is connect the monitor to the power supply, and I'll show you guys the final effect. And as you guys can see here, we have the final effect. I think it looks pretty great, and this is it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.